Okay, how to make a countdown timer in Python in less than a minute, hopefully. Import time, import win sound seconds. We just set that to 10 seconds for our timer. For I in range seconds. For I in range seconds, print an F string of seconds minus I seconds left. Time dot sleep, so we make the PC sleep for a second. Time dot sleep 1, and then print outside of the for loop, print boom, the time is up, and then we'll get a file. So let's just get a file there from my file system. Music. Over here, just going to do a copy of this one. Copy. File equals this, and we'll just put the double backslashes in for Windows, or we could change them to forward slashes. So we've got that, and then win sound dot play sound of our file, and there's a little flag that needs to go in here as well, which is win sound dot send SND, and it will be send underscore file underscore F. File name, there we go, send file name, and that's it. Hit F5 and let's watch it run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, the time is up. So that's how to do a countdown timer and play a sound at the end of it in Python.